Stagnation, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Brazen. So you want to be a millionaire in the crypto space, or maybe a millionaire investor of some sort? Well, here are some things that we think everyone needs to pay attention to if you would like to take advantage and really advance your investments, if you will, or increase your profitability.
Millionaire status, baby.
What are we talking about here, man? Take it away, sir.
Yes, sir. You know, this are the same rules. This is the same schemes that we are following on our journey to multi-millionaires, especially in the crypto space. And we believe that, you know, it always makes sense to have a mentor, maybe somebody that you look up to, or just knowledge of what others have done to get there. And as we read books and we pay attention to what current millionaires and billionaires have done, we come to the realization that slow and steady wins the race. They are not out there looking for extreme yields on pancake swaps or yield farming.
Hey, man, listen, man. It's a bunch of boxes that do nothing, and they're giving you 20% back. Why would you not want to invest in that?
Well, guess what? When your money goes poof, not only is your money gone, your investment is gone.
Listen, it's called risk, okay? And the risk is really not there until it happens, but
You know the kind of risk that you should be taking?
you might survive.
You know the kind of risk that you should be taking? The risk that you should be taking now when the fraud is extremely high.
Yes,
Those are the kind of risk that millionaires and billionaires make.
absolutely.
The buy when the fear is high. Just believe in the technology. Believe in the solution. If you believe in it, go all in this kind of markets. That is where you get your returns from.
I agree with this, but I will take it a step further. Because I think it's stronger than even believing. Yes, you have to believe in it, but before you believe in it, I think your research and understanding of what you're investing in has to come in first. Then you find out this opportunity, which is where we are right now, in a serious bear market where everything is significantly cheaper than it was some months ago. You know, when I speak to a lot of people that I discuss investing with and things like that, whether it's people just calling me for ideas, a lot of people are disparaged, man, sad, borderline depressed by the fact that they have all these investments that have just gone down in value. But usually at that point in time, I like to remind them, a couple months ago, I would say Bitcoin, for example, because Bitcoin is one of the, it's really my jam, you know what I mean? And really the most legit thing out there right now that everyone should be looking into.
The number one investment portfolio, yeah.
Exactly. So I was speaking to this one person and they're like, yo, this Bitcoin thing is crashing, man. This Bitcoin is not going to come back, man. Everything in crypto is crashing. And I'm like, sir, you remember a couple months ago when I was telling you to buy Bitcoin? It was around 40K. And you were telling me that you wish you had bought it when it was down around 15K, 17K, right? Yet here we are now, 15K and 17K. Why are you not buying it? Because the next move is going to be, as you can see, monumental.
I'm looking at the charts. It's at that extreme, either serious upward movement or serious downward movement.
If you look at the Bitcoin charts, you will see that there is this continuous pattern of these massive runs and like an 80% pullback. It's going to be a massive run. It could be 10,000% or more. And then there's an 80% pullback. Bitcoin was once at 25 cents. Then it was once at $20,000. After $20,000, at some point, it was back down to almost $2,000. And after that, it was back up to like almost $30,000. And then it was back down to almost, it's been back to $9,000. And it's been up to $69,000. And it's now back to 15K. I hope people can see that there's a pattern here. This is the moment where you need to put aside that sense of fear, depression, understand the fraud, and take action. Now is the time that you take action, not, But at the same time, if you want to buy at the top, that is totally fine too, because I need exit liquidity. So depending on what it is, you know.
Not financial advice, but this is what the greatest investors out there doing. You know, Warren Buffett is buying up companies like crazy. We see the biggest companies that have held on to cash during the boom buying up companies right now. As a small investor or as a startup investor, you should look for those technologies that has given you some serious discount that are still going to be around for a while. I mean, I was doubling down on my Shopify the other day because people are still using e-commerce. Shopify is not going anywhere anytime soon, but it's like 45% discount right now on the stocks. If there's a company out there that you really believe in that is super, super cheap right now, that is what you do. And if you're in the crypto space, we believe Bitcoin is the number one blockchain solution that is solving the biggest problem in the world, which is money. But if you want to look at all the blockchains, definitely look at them. It's up to you. But do not let the fear and fraud keep you out of the market. We were getting calls every single day during the last bull markets. We don't get calls now. But we're telling you, if you say you want to be a millionaire in the space, this is when you invest.
Absolutely.
Not financial advice, but we're just letting you know.
Before we wrap this one up here, and I think this is some great points, and I think everyone should just take that, internalize it, and build on it. First of all, Riot blockchain was something I was investing in. I thought that was cool.
I bought more. I bought more of it yesterday.
Oh, you bought some more yesterday?
Yeah.
I want to keep adding Tesla. The problem is Tesla is so heavy into Bitcoin that I ask myself sometimes, is it really a good idea? Because if Bitcoin starts going down, it will probably be heading in the same direction, So I don't know. I would ask, like, what do you think, and what do people in the comments think? I need some advice there, man. Buy more Tesla or just forget about it and just keep buying Bitcoin, because Tesla has a bunch of Bitcoin anyway. Because both of those things will probably send your portfolio in the same direction at the same time.
I bought more Tesla yesterday too as well.
Right.
I just went into the savings account. I was like, savings accounts are for opportunities. So I bought more PLTR, bought more Tesla, bought more Riots.
PLTR for sure. Yeah.
XLK, UPRO.
Yeah.
I'm down several thousands of dollars, but I'm buying the dip.
Did you buy any prison stocks? I heard that's popping now.
I have a conscience.
Hey, listen, man. It's all about the money, But I'm kidding. Look, I think this was a good one. Let us know in the comments what you think. What are some stocks that you're looking at? What are some investments? Some things that you believe in? Are you averaging down on Bitcoin? Right? This is a great opportunity. Or maybe you're on the flip side of it and you think that is horrible and Bitcoin is going to zero, like Peter Schiff. We are here for it too. Let us know in the comments. Final thoughts, though.
As a matter of fact, if you want to be that investor, buy the puts on Bitcoin if you think it's going down further down.
Put your money where your mouth is.
Put your money where your mind is. Yeah,
exactly. All right, cool. I like that too. Well, let's wrap this one up, sir.
As always, this was awesome, right? You like this? Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Twitter, STAKK. On Facebook, we're here too. Instagram. Those two are the same social platforms, centralized platforms, you want to call it. And of course, we're messing around with podcasts once in a while. You like to come and chat with us? Come and join us on there. We can have a great conversation.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Until next time, ladies and gentlemen. Brazen out.
00.